Today, we will be talking about the roles, rights, and responsibilities of citizens. So, students will be able to describe and compare the roles and responsibilities of citizens in different societies, including the United States, and explain how citizens participate in the political process in various countries. So, you are a citizen. The definition of a citizen is a member of a community who has rights and responsibilities. There are two meanings to the word citizen. This is people who live in a certain place and are members of a certain community, or a national, legally recognized people as being loyal to that nation and entitled to protection. There are different levels of citizenship. We have different levels throughout our community. We have citizenship in our homes, how we help our families, how we are a part of our home life. We have citizenship at school, how we help around the school, our roles and rights and responsibilities at school. Same with our workplace. City has a local government, or the in the county has a local government. We have the state level government, and then, of course, we have our country government, our national government. So there are rights and responsibilities at each level. We will primarily focus on the local, state, and country level for the United States, but going forward in all the other countries, we will just focus on just that country as a whole. So there are sources to our rights and responsibilities. For the United States, we have a national U.S. Constitution and federal laws. These tell us what our rights and responsibilities as citizens of the U.S. are. On a state level, we have the state constitution and we have our state laws. The city of Houston has a city charter and we have ordinances that tell us our local laws. And then, of course, we have our school handbook, code of conduct, stuff like that, the workplace. And then your parents probably have some home rules, which are also, rights and responsibilities. So a right is a privilege or claim to something. So some examples include our freedom of expression, freedom to assemble, which means have freedom to gather in one place, freedom to worship, or freedom of religion, freedom to vote. We have the right to serve on a jury, and we have the right to run for state, local, or federal offices. There are different rights at different levels. So we do have those national, state, local, home, and school levels. One of the ways we participate in this in our school is through student council. Some of our responsibilities. So, responsibility is that duty to other people, the government, or our society. Some responsibilities are following the rules, paying our taxes, going out and voting, and serving on juries when called upon. The responsibilities at different levels vary between our home, school, city, state, and nation. So, some responsibilities at school might include, cleaning up after yourself, making sure you bring your supplies. But in the federal level, it would be voting for our officers, petitioning whenever we don't agree with something like that. So now we are going to have practice time in class. So make sure you have these notes done. Thank you.